Here, hold this. Would you look at that? And as of right now, this only has about a month left before end of support. It's dead. Alright, so it's midnight, and yep, it's 8.1's dead. So yeah, I mean, it's the last few minutes. I'm just gonna install this on through an actual disk. Alright, and insert the dingus disk. And right now we're on a modded copy of Windows 7. We're gonna be doing an upgrade from it. Alright, Windows 8. Oh, no. Alright, yeah, we'll do that. Move out of the way cord for my Nintendo Wii, where we're doing a celebration here. Celebration for death. Is it stuck here? Eh, fuck it, we're just gonna... Oh my god. See, this is why Windows 7 was the last truly good Windows version. Yeah, we're just gonna do that, except not that properly. Wait, did that just do nothing? This is why I fucking hate looking at text sometimes. Oh, finally now decides to respond. Are you kidding me? Oh, fuck you. No, that said fuck you disk. That said fuck the disk. We're using my ISO. We're using the ISO, fuck the disk. Oh, now it decides to work. Fuck you, Windows. You know what? Should we try this one? Oh no. See, now it wants to work. Now it wants to work after giving me pretty much 18 minutes of misery. Okay, now I guess we gotta time lapse this. I don't know. Alright, finally we got this set up. I'm gonna pick my favorite color, purple. Okay, why the fuck does it show the password and no option to hide it? What if you were recording this through like a capture card or something? Does Windows hate privacy that much? Bye. Which means we're on Windows 8. Yeah, we're on the dingus wallpaper of Windows 8. Who even likes Windows 8s? Here we got the start screen, and yeah, I guess we're gonna explore through all the apps. We'll start with alarms. I didn't see the point of this because, like, it's 2013. Everyone at the time had a phone of sorts. No one needed an alarm in their main computer, the operating system, calculator. We have two in Windows 8.1. Look, why do we have two calculators? What is the point of this? Anyways, a calendar. Wait, you need a fucking Microsoft? No. What? Anyways, food and drink. You could just use Google to find. You could just use your fucking web browser just to find out what you want to eat. No one needs to have this stuff. Okay, games. Okay. Alright, this one actually. Alright, I didn't see the point of games, but the UI actually makes sense because at this time the Xbox 360's UI was just Windows 8's health and fitness. Yeah, why do these take so long to load? I'm gonna use my iPhone 6 as an example because this would come out a year after Windows 8. But what's that? Why do we need this? Alright, mail. Name one person who uses mail on their No. Name one person who uses mail on their freaking computer that isn't in their web browser. If you guess no one, you're correct. Windows 10, shut up. Why do we need maps in Windows? Anyways, money. I swear like half the things in here are already in mobile operating systems that existed around this time. Alright, music. Who uses the built-in music app instead of something like VLC or Windows Media Player? Alright, news. What is stopping someone from just... Yeah, what's stopping someone from just opening Internet Explorer and the first thing they see is a bunch of news stuff? People. Alright, photos. Like videos, who uses this? Alright, a reader. Alright, okay, so from what I know about this app, it's just a PDF reader, which I can see why, but it's 2013. By then, someone would have used like a different PDF reader because Windows didn't have one before. Reading list, I never got the point of this. Skype. It's just bad MSN. Sound recorder. Oh wait, Windows just installed graphics drivers for me. Thanks, Windows. Oh yeah, Windows 8 introduced the installing drivers through the internet. This is still better though. Alright, so next we got sports. Ha, this app is useless thing. Oh yeah, the Windows Store. It says 12:45. Or maybe the app is just broken, I don't know. Travel. What is the point of this? Video. Like the music app, who the hell used this? And last but not least, weather. That's when I did the Vine source thing, hell. Or hell in Netherlands, I guess. I always had this as well, and I didn't use Android. But probably had that as well. Anyways, yeah. Even though Windows 8 has all this bloatware, there is one thing that you can do with the bloatware that you couldn't do in Windows 10 or even 11. And let me show you what that is. It's called actually having the rights to fucking uninstall it. Okay, so as you can see, I've uninstalled basically all the bloat. And yeah, it actually becomes a pretty good OS. Aside from one problem, which is this thing. Starters Back Plus, now known as Start All back in Windows 11. Basically, it's just a replica of the Windows 7 start menu. Alright, here you can see right there. And yeah, you can have the Windows 7 start over if you like. It's got the Windows 8. It's got the Windows 7 start orb. A custom Windows 8 start orb to just mimic the 7 one with the modern logo. It's even got this 7 start menu. It's got some alternatives. Alright, so yeah, I guess we're done here. Moral of the story, Windows 8 sucks, Windows 7 is still peak. I literally bought out 3 discs for this video and none of them I ended up using. You're still the best Windows operating system. What the fuck are you looking at?